If you need to forward a Google Calendar invite, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can share the event with someone new in just a few moments. Whether you forgot to include someone, need to send the invite to a teammate, or want to pass the meeting details along to another person, this is a simple process once you know where to click. And before we jump in, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail. This is where the original Google Calendar invitation email will be delivered, and it's the easiest place to find the event details you want to forward. Once Gmail is open, look through your inbox, your promotions tab, or whichever folder the invitation landed in. You're looking for the original calendar invite email that was sent to you. It usually contains the event title, time, date, location, and the response options for the meeting. When you find the invitation, open the email so you can view the full message. Inside the message, look toward the top of the email for the three-dot menu or the forward option in the message header. Depending on your device and Gmail layout, this may appear as a more icon with 3 dots, or you may see a direct forward button. Click that option to begin forwarding the invite. Now Gmail will open a new message window or forward draft. In the recipient field, enter the new recipient's email address. Make sure you type it correctly, especially if you're sending the invite to a coworker, client, or teammate who needs the meeting details right away. If you want, you can also add a short message at the top to explain why you're forwarding it, such as asking them to review the event or letting them know you're sharing the invitation. Before sending, take one quick look at the email to make sure the calendar invite details are still included. This helps confirm the person receiving it will see the original meeting information. Once everything looks good, click Send. The invite will be forwarded to the new recipient and they'll have access to the calendar event information from the original email. And that's it. You've now forwarded a Google Calendar invite through Gmail. It's a fast and useful way to share meeting details without having to recreate the event from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Google Workspace and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.